Hello everyone, this is AMN430 Assessment 1 video presentation. I am Nano Yang. Today I'm going to talk about a brand of automobile company which is Mercedes-Benz, and I will also talk about its supply chain system and the current supply chain situation. And in addition, there will be some of the strategy that I will be mentioned in this presentation to talk about how Mercedes-Benz use of different strategy to increase their brand name or maybe their sales. Also, there will be some more logistic theory that apply to the company. So to begin with, Mercedes-Benz is actually a German global automobile company that their vehicle is an integration of luxury, sportiness, and performance vehicle. So other than the vehicle, the Mercedes-Benz cars we see on the street, they also produce vehicles like buses, coaches, and trucks as well. So what is a supply chain? Supply chain is a flow of production and service from raw material manufacturers, intermediate product manufacturer, and finally the finished product manufacturers as well. Also in the supply chain, it will involve some of the distributors, the wholesalers, or maybe the retailers as well. So supply chain is all about inventory and transportation. The cost of inventory and transportation plays a big role in the supply chain, and it actually costs a lot that you can expect it. So what Mercedes-Benz has been focusing on is the material flow, which is a big topic and a big concern of logistics. So Mercedes-Benz was focusing on optimizing the material flows in production plants in the supply chain line, in the production line. So in order to cut down the cost of transportation and inventory for Mercedes-Benz, they have a strategy of globalizing and localizing their manufacture all around the world. Some of the big companies such as China, the US, the North America, and maybe the South Africa. So Mercedes-Benz was aimed to have more consolidation center in all around the world. So the center was used to repack and also to monitor the produce of the small parts of a vehicle. So to do that, they have a result of better quality of the car parts, and also the car parts can be produced in some of the local area instead of German. So they don't have to ship their car parts that other country, the manufacturer might need it from Germany. So they can actually produce their car parts in their local areas, such as China, for example. If China have a special request from customer, they need some more option, some more special request for the car when they are manufacturing. They can get the parts inside China instead of shipping from Germany. So it's actually one of the methods to cut off the transportation and the shipping fees in the supply chain. So in order to globalize its brand name in the local area and localizing the production line in other country, Mercedes-Benz also tried to involve 2,000 more suppliers all over the world as well. So they can have the raw material from the very local area, such as China, as I mentioned. It works the same exactly to ship, to cut down the cost of transportation. So it's actually save a lot in the logistic plan. So to talk about the bullwhip strategy, when a consumer have a special request, or when they shift a little bit, they change a little bit on the request for the vehicle, there is actually a big impact to the manufacturer, to the vehicle manufacturer. So Once they have all the supplier and manufacturer in the local area, they can respond even faster, even quicker, and even more effective to match with the demand that request by their customers. Also, the way they localize their manufacturer and the supplier is actually reducing the risk pooling. So how it works is when there is a problem appears, if there is a reverse supply chain, it will all happen in the local area. So the benefit is that once again, the transportation fees has been reduced, and also for the customers, they don't have to wait, too long for their, fixed vehicle or maybe another brand new vehicle as well. So it is actually a very good strategy from Mercedes-Benz. So to sum up, the localizing strategy by Mercedes-Benz was significantly important to its supply chain. It is a very good strategy that they had used. Also, they also provide the both push and pull strategy. So they have a standardized vehicle they have already produced for some of the customer that those they might not have other special requests, and also the push strategy for people who have special requests for their vehicle as well. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you.